Planks are a great exercise. They really help us build up our core strength and coordinate ourselves, connect our limbs and our neck to our torso. The problem is a lot of us spend our day texting or forward at a desk, so our glenohumeral joint, our shoulder joint, and ribs are not in good alignment, and we go to do the plank and we wind up hurting our shoulder. So let me show you, I'm going to give you 2 ways to help get better shoulder alignment. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to use a downward dog to help you get the right angle for a plank. And I'm going to go into your downward dog. And for good downward dog, you want your head aligned with your arms or farther back. So now I'm in good alignment. And you're going to get to play with using your upper back strength by, I'm going to go into wild thing from downward dog. I'm lifting my leg, I bend my knee, and I'm extending my upper back. So now my rib cage is going to be in better position. My arms are in front of my glenohumeral joint, my shoulder joint. I'm going to slide forward. Now my arms are ready for the plank. They're straight up and down. My arms are perpendicular to the floor, just like this foam roller is. We're going to go back. And you could try that on the other side. So you're playing with the angle of where your shoulder joint is to your hands on the floor. That's building body awareness. This is easier to hold. It's a gentler plank as opposed to coming all the way forward. You have your hands straight down and you could just take your leg down at any point. What you don't want to do in coming off texting or typing all day, we have a tendency, now I have my shoulder, you can't see it in front of that blue foam roller, is this shoulder joint. I'm going to lower this down. That shoulder joint is just too far forward. That's a setup for hurting the joint. This is where you want to be. You can play with coming from downward dog to that arm perpendicular to the floor. The second way I'm going to show you how to learn more about the angle of your glenohumeral joint, feel that, and to get into better plank position. We're going to start with the downward dog. But this time, you're going to look like an upside down letter L. You're going to put one foot up on the wall and the other foot up on the wall. And you're going to have your hands perpendicular to the floor. And you're going to hold this L. Feet hip width apart is going to be easier. Feet and thighs together is going to be harder. Yeah, and so you're going to hold this plank. You could do it for like 10 or 15 minute segments. Gradually keep building up to a minute. This is a great one. It's been verified to build strength, build core strength. You're learning to coordinate your limbs with your torso. The neck is loose. And you would come on down. Yeah. So hopefully now you're going to appreciate planks more than ever and do them better more than ever.